Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of Euro USD, and as you can see on the screen, I am using the 4 hours time frame, the beloved 4 hours time frame of the Forex trading, and my favorite too. And as you can see, overall the market is in uptrend and there is no doubt about it. Though for a couple of days market went out of track, but again the market is in uptrend. Just look at this overall trend. So as I always say, you should not be going against the trend, and in a market like this, when in an uptrend market like this, you should always be looking for buying opportunity, and the area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support. Okay, so what you should be doing then? As you can see right now market is trading at 1.21722. okay, market is trading at this particular range. So if you buy here, then your stop loss will be somewhere around here. Okay, because we are considering that 50 moving average will be providing the required support to the market, but we are still not sure. So do you think this is the ideal place to buy then? Obviously not, because see, right now we can see that market is trying to go up, but market is still struggling. Okay, now let's take me to the weekly time frame and show you the bigger picture. The weekly time frame is also telling us the same story. Market is an uptrend, market is trying to go up, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity. Okay, so this is a weekly time frame, and see this week's candle. Previous week market has formed a green bullish candle. This week also market has formed a small green candle with price rejection from below. So it signifies that there is a potential in the market. There are buyers present in the market who are willing to take the price upward. So now let's switch to the 4 hours time frame and see what should be our strategy. So I have already mentioned that why this is not the ideal position, because see, if you go ahead and place the buy order here, then you're going against the discipline. Okay, you are going against the discipline. Your risk to reward ratio does not match, and as I always say, you should not chase the market. You should always let the market come to you. Okay, so what should be a strategy then? In an uptrend market like this, strategy is simple. Okay, we will wait for the market to just cross this level. Sorry about drawing. Let me draw again. 1.2178. okay, and we can see that right now market is almost standing at the support, and stochastic RSI is also going towards the upside. So considering all the possibilities and probabilities, there is a high chance that market will cross this level. Until and unless market crosses this level, we will not be looking for any buying opportunity, because our risk to reward ratio does not match. This is not our area of value. Okay, once market crosses this level, okay, 1.2178 level, wait for 3 to 4 hours and just try to read the market psychology. Just try to observe the price. Yes, reading the market psychology, understanding the market psychology is very important. Once you get the confirmation that yes, okay, market is trading comfortably above this level, there is no struggle, no problem, okay, then you can easily go for buy above this level. Okay, because this resistance, okay, this resistance has become the support now. Once you get the confirmation that yes, the resistance has become the support, now you can go for a buy order above this line, and your stop loss will be somewhere around here. Okay, now you can see that yes, you are not compromising the trading discipline, you are with the trading discipline, and yes, the risk to reward ratio is also in your favor. You should always be looking for trading opportunity like this. Okay, and if market comes down from this particular point, if market fails to cross this level as of now, you should not short the market, because I have already told you market is in uptrend, if you short the market, you will be taking risk. If you cannot afford to take risk, okay, then you should not. And personally, if you ask me what I will do, I will not short the market here because overall trend is towards the upside. If I want to short the market, then I'll be looking for other opportunities in different currency pair. There are lots of currency pairs available. Okay, why should I risk my hard-earned money on a pair, currency pair which is going against the trend? There is no point. So strategy is simple: wait for the market to cross this particular level. Once market crosses the level, let the market trade comfortably above this level, let the resistance become the support. Once you get a confirmation that yes, resistance has become the support, go for a buy. Okay, so this is it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.